There are millions of pubs all over the world, so it's no wonder that some of them have been established in unusual locations. Bars made entirely of ice are now common in freezing places, as are mountaintop pubs for thirsty hikers and skiers. There's even an Irish pub in Nanch Bazaar at the foot of Mount Everest. So when the local pub just won't do, here are some bars from across the world that have been established in unexpected locations. Wasbar, a bar and a laundromat. Wasbar is a Belgian franchise that includes a launder, bar, and restaurant. Wasbar was created for those who dislike wasting time while waiting for the washing machine to finish its cycle. It offers a location for people to eat and drink in the interim. The washing machines in the room cost €6, about $6.50 per use, and the dryers cost €3, $3.25. Wasbar provides breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and its menu includes pancakes, bagels, and salads. Drinks include coffee, fruit juice, beer, and cocktails. The Ghent facility also has a hair salon, so customers can do their laundry, have a cocktail, and get their hair cut all at once. Floating bar and restaurant Lamu, a bar in the Indian Ocean. Many inebriated boats traverse the world's oceans, but floating buildings that serve alcoholic beverages are less prevalent. One such odd structure is the floating bar and restaurant Lamu, which floats between Kenya's Lamu and Manda islands. The bar's little structures have genuine walls and roofs, and everything is suspended on a platform supported by 200 pressurized barrels. Alcohol is not popular in Lamu due to its predominantly Muslim population. However, tourists seeking a drink can visit the floating bar. I enjoy meeting many people from different backgrounds each day, adds owner Frida Jogo. Because the entire bar is floating, there is no electricity. Thus, drinks are stored in ice-filled coolers. There's also lots of fresh seafood available. Coots, a bar in an underground air raid shelter. When London was bombarded during World War I and World War II, people sought refuge in the underground tube system. Coots, a 1940s-themed speakeasy, was converted into a derelict shelter, Kingly Court Underground Station, in 2015. The bar has 3 areas, but the highlight is the underground, which is an underground hall in the ancient tube station, replete with a life-size tube carriage. Drinks at the train car bar have fun era-appropriate names like Dig for Victory, Uncle Sam's Snack Box, and Keep Marm and Carry On. For those looking for a really immersive experience, the Black Market Knees Up takes place every Saturday. In addition to alcohol, attendees are treated to scrumptious meals, live entertainment, games, and a quiz. Alux Restaurant and Lounge, a bar in a cave. Alux Restaurant and Lounge in Playa del Carmen, Mexico is another underground bar worth checking out. Alux is built inside a naturally formed cave studded with stalactites and stalagmites. The environment is gloomy and moody, as one would expect from a cave, but dramatic lighting in pink, green, and blue spotlights the magnificent rock formations. Alux is more than just one large open cave. In addition to the main dining area, there are private caverns, called VIP vaults, for drinkers and diners who prefer a more intimate atmosphere. Patrons should be wary of the bats that live in the cave and occasionally dive bomb people's food and drinks. Faraday Bar, a bar in the Antarctic. There aren't many structures in Antarctica. However, the Vernadsky Research Base on Galindez Island has a pub. Faraday Bar was originally constructed by carpenter Keith "Cat" Liratt for British researchers studying on the frigid island. In a 2009 letter, Liratt stated that the bar's purpose was to bring laughter and a feeling of warmth to what was the most miserable and unloved base in the Antarctic. The British left in 1996, and the Ukrainians took over, with the pub sold to the newcomers for just £1, approximately $1.25. There isn't a dedicated barman, so the researchers and other base employees, cooks, mechanics, etc., take turns working the bar. Supply shipments to the island arrive only once a year, so they distill their own vodka, making it not only one of the world's most distant taverns, but also one of the most remote distilleries.